So guys, here you can see even more we came out the full stack web development. And like in the full stack web development, our series has been started off the links, and this is our second video of the links. And in today's video, I'm telling you about what are different colors in the HTML link. So yeah, we are learning about it. So see the video start to it, and please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also and miss for any future latest videos about the Python. So without taking any time, let's move computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. Guys, here you can see my mode came out of full stack web development. And in today's video of HTML links, I am telling you about the different colors. If you don't know what is different colors, so in today's video, your whole concept will be clear about it. So let's get started without wasting any time and let's know about in the HTML links what are different colors. So let's start. An HTML link is displayed in a different color depending on whether it has been visited, is unvisited, or is active. Okay. HTML link colors. By default, a link will appear like this in all the browsers. First, an unvisited link is underlined and blue. Number 2, a visited link is underlined and purple. Number 3, an active link is underlined and red. In the previous video, I have told you that, but in the detail, in the depth, I not go it. But in today's video, I am going in the depth of it. Okay, so let's know about it. You can change the link state colors by using the CSS. How? Told you. For example, here is one unvisited link will be green with no underline. Just imagine. A visited link will be pink with no underline. An active link will be yellow and underlined in addition. When mousing over a link, however, it will become red and underlined. How? Let me tell you. Here we define some CSS code. Okay, I am not writing the CSS code because I know this HTML code is HTML code, so that's why I'm not writing the CSS code. Okay, I am just copying and pasting it, and I will show you. So I'm not using the Sublime Text Editor now. If you want to use it, so use it. Okay, or I'm using the Visual Studio Code because the Visual Studio Code is also very useful. Okay, so let's start. First of all, I make a file, a new file. Here I am making a file about the index.html. I am making this file in my documents, and then I make the file. And when I make the file, first of all, I have already told you about what are internal, external, and inline CSS. I have already told you that in the previous videos, so I did not told you one more time. Okay, because we are writing the HTML and the CSS code in our HTML file. I am not making the any CSS file. Okay. So here I am writing like paste it. Here in the HTML we write like our all the CSS code, and I have already told you that how to write the CSS code in the HTML. Okay, in the previous video. So here I am writing like A, and I have already told you in the previous video how to make the link. Okay, so href, and here I am making the link, and I am going here and I am writing here my channel by the name of CodeWithPk. I'm opening my channel and then I'm copying the link here and paste it, and there I am writing like visit CodeWithPk. And when I save it from here, and when I open it my in the documents, and when I open it my file, so this type of an output has been coming. And when I am hovering on my link, so it is becoming in the underlined and in the red color like this. But it is not hovering very beautifully and its line is not coming very beautiful. So let me tell you how you can do it. First of all, you go here and give him transition. Should be 0.3 seconds, or come here and now save it and run it. So now it come like this. Here you can see now it is coming like beautiful. So like that you can do it, and then give him to the background color red, and text decoration underline 0.3 seconds. Save and run. Sorry, 1 second. And when I came here and I am writing like borders will be 1 pixel. Text decoration should be underline. Now it is looking like this. Okay, now perfect. And color should be yellow. Okay. Here I am making one more link. Okay, by the name of, let me show you. Class should be href and class should be link. Save it and run it. So now it's looking like this, and let me come here. Okay, now perfect. come here, close it, and now try it yourself. And when I click it here, and this all code item came, and let me copy it, and let me come here and paste it. Here what can we do? Here we define a href, and here I'm writing my channel link. Where is my channel link? Sorry, I have forgot. Okay, let me copy it, and now let me come here and let me paste it, save it, and then run it. So it is looking like this, and when I hovering, it is becoming in the red and in the underline. Here you can see it like this. And when I come here, so now let's minimize it and let's close it. Link buttons. A link can also be styled as a button by using the CSS. How? Let me show you. Like that. You can see it like that. You can do it. There is a CSS code. Okay, let me copy it and let me paste it. Save it and let me do it like in the less than sign. Now save it and run it. So it is looking like this in the button. Here you can see it is looking like in button. How we can do this in the button? Only we do it like padding and like that all thing, then it will be becoming in the button. Padding 10, 15 and 25 pixels, so that's why it is becoming like that. When I remove the padding, so it will not looking like a button. Here you can see it. But when I when I give in to the padding, so now it's looking like a button. Here you can see it. So in the CSS class, we learned that what are paddings and that all thing. To learn more about the CSS, go to our CSS tutorial, and our CSS tutorial will be starting. Okay, just wait. When our whenever our HTML tutorial will be ended, then we are starting our CSS. Okay, HTML link text. In today's video, we learned about the A tag and its description. It defines a hyperlink. For a complete list of all available HTML tags, visit our HTML tag reference. And if you don't know how to define a hyperlink, I have already told you that in the previous video. And let me show you one thing. Let me write some code. Let me write HTML first of all, then body. Here I am defining the href, and here I am writing my channel link. Okay, let me write my channel link. Now save it. Now here I am writing visit. Okay, now here I am writing like hyperlink. Okay, not here we are writing in this h1 hyperlink. Okay, now when we wrote it down here, then what we can do here, will we enter press, and here I am writing like style, and then here I am giving like a, give a should be like background color should be aqua, padding 15 pixels should be 25 pixels, then color should be black, shadow, box shadow should be 10 pixels, and then I am writing here a hover, and here I am giving like background color should be red, and then I am writing here like color should be white, then box shadow should be 50 pixels, and then I am removing box shadow from here, and then here I am giving the transition should be 0.3 seconds. Save it and then run it. So now it is looking like this, and when I hovering, so it is looking like this. You can see it, but the padding is very small. Let me remove the padding, save it and run it. So now, okay, save it and run it, copy it, Control Z. Okay, Control Z, Control Z, hover a active. Okay, so here what we can do here, we give like pink, not pink. Here I am giving will be aqua, and then background colors aqua, and background color I am giving should be aqua, should be, and then the color should be I am giving black, and then tag decoration none I am giving, and here I am giving like now padding 15 pixels should be 25 pixels, and then color I am giving should be white, and then background color I am giving him should be red, and then here I am giving like box shadow should be 5 pixels, and then I am giving like transition 0.5 seconds. Save it and run it. So now it is looking like this, and when I am hovering it, it is looking like this. So you can see it. like that you can do it. Or you want to increase your box shadow, so you will be also increase it like this. Or if you give the body should be like background color should be dark blue, save it and edit. So now it is looking like this. Here you can see it. Okay, and if you want to give the color should be white, so you will be also give it, save it, run it. So here you can see it is looking like this. So like that you can do it. So in today's video of Python, HTML, I told you about the in the HTML, what are in the HTML link, what are different colors. So yeah, I told you about it. So see video start. I hope you enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to all the notification bell also, and I miss over any future related videos about the full stack web development. So I'm using next class, next video I'm using like that type of videos. So for today, goodbye.